All right, this is Steve and Mark, the Chopstick guys, with your small bite
of the day.
Today. That's right. Hey, we are out here at the lake in the brightest time of the day. It's like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And you can see the sun right behind us.
We're gonna make some portraits today.
We are.
But guess what? We're not gonna use high-speed sync.
Yep.
We're doing it the old-fashioned way. We're shooting with a honey badger light that is not high-speed sync.
It's called high-speed think, right? You gotta actually think about how you're shooting, but
right.
yeah.
So what's our solution for shooting in the bright daylight with a monolight?
Well, our solution is that we both remembered this time to bring our neutral density filters, right? I've got a 2-stop on here. It's working okay, but you've got your variable, what is it, 10?
Yeah, so I actually have a 10-stop variable, so I can adjust how dark or how light I want the photo to be. So what we're basically doing is we're taking this down. You're taking it down 2 stops. I'm taking it right now, I'm finding down about 4 stops, brighter than it is out there. And then we just fill it back in with some light, and we're getting
like magic.
Amazing photos.
So it's basically doing what high-speed sync does, but using a filter instead.
All right, let's show them what we're getting. So you shoot first with 2 stops, and I'm gonna show them what you can do with 4 stops.
Let's do that.
Well, you can see that there's a difference between 2 stops and 4 stops, but it is possible to do high-speed sync or
high-speed think.
High-speed think in the middle of the day.
That's right. So this is Steve.
This is Mark.
With your small bite for today.